Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add these properties to this class. This is how you do it. You say title equals, and then db.string property. This is in the database module from Google, and this is how you say something is a particular type. You give your property name, and then you say equals, and then you give it the type. And this is the class that represents the string type, string. I'm going to add another parameter here, required equals true, and this sets a constraint on the database. It means if we try to make an instance of art without giving it a title, we will get an exception. Python won't let us do that, which is handy. You want to always have as many constraints as you reasonably can to prevent you from making silly mistakes and putting bad data into your database. Having bad data in your database is really annoying. Sometimes it's really hard to find because you don't have the appropriate keys to do your queries to look it up. So constraints are important, and this is a handy one that Google provides. Required equals true. Let's add another field. This is our art, and this is going to be a db text property. This will also be required equals true. Simple enough. Actually, the first time I wrote this, I used the string property, and then I got through this whole project, and all of a sudden I couldn't paste in ASCII art longer than 500 characters. So text is handy there. And we're also going to add our last field for created, which will be a date time property. And this takes another parameter called auto now add equals true. And what this property does is it automatically, when we create an instance of art, will set the created to be the current time right now. And so we don't have to actually deal with that ourselves. This is really handy. Now you may be thinking this is an awful lot to know, and you don't have to know this. This is all in the Google Data Store docs. So when you're working on your homeworks and stuff, please have those docs handy. It'll save you, a lot of heartache. And there's some interesting stuff in there, and this is one of them. Auto now add. Okay, so that's all we have to do to define a type, or at least our simple type here. Let's go ahead and start creating these things.